Welcome to LightboxSupplies.com. We are a Canadian-based team that offers a turnkey solution for your project design from start to finish. A one-stop shop for anything and everything Lightbox related to help you complete your Lightbox project. If you're planning for a trade show or an elaborate display project, our design team can work with you on a 3D rendering model to give you a glimpse of how the final product would look like. We complete all our projects in-house. Our printers can print up to 10 feet for any large format print projects. Everything from cutting the frame, to assembling the LED lights, to sewing and finishing, our in-house team can do it all. Our in-house production team allows us to do any customizations that you require while ensuring a quick turnaround. Our sales team has a direct line of communication with our production team to make sure that nothing is lost in translation. We also have a wide range of equipments that can go beyond your standard frames. We're able to weld, bend, and cut metal to satisfy the uniqueness of your project. We can also assist with installation and setup, as well as help arrange shipping of our products to your desired location. We're able to provide you with top-notch service from start to finish to make sure your project is a smashing success. So whether it is a full trade show display, ceiling display, wall mount light boxes, storefront displays, or other creative lightbox ideas that you have, our team can help you get the job done. Please contact our sales team today to begin your creative project right now.